Cage Blabang rope and racing carryover. Jumps quick at the gate, moving up is the force. And Panamera is racing third, down in fourth is Counselor, then followed by Biba Bola. 4 lengths back Scad Missile, while Hakuna Matata is running in the tail of the field. Nearing the last 600, carry over followed by the force. And moving up, Counselor, not the outside in between horses. Now is Biba Bola. Panamera is racing fifth by another 4 lengths. Scad Missile and Hakuna Matata. As they hit the last 400, it's carry over Biba Bola on the outside, running by the Willis the force. Towards the final turn, the force followed by carry over. Carry over once again, Biba Bola on the outside to take the lead. It's now Biba Bola, carry over the force, Counselor, Scad Missile, and finally Biba Bola. Carry over Scad Missile, Panamera, Counselor, the force, and Hakuna Matata.